Now we cut your yarn like this. I will have this. Now we will start from here to here. We make this, and we can start from here to here in the front leg, or we can turn the legs and start from here to here, okay, and the back side. We can start here. Start here in the front of loops, okay? We work only the front of loops. We have here front of loops, back of loops. We have 2 loops. We work in the front loops. Now we can make shine if you prefer more space between the legs, or we cannot make this. Just put the hook into in the next loop here. Okay, I have this yarn here. I will put it here. just make one single crochet like this, that, okay, or we can make better and connect, for example, first here one slip stitch for and then next time we start in the loops here, 1, 2, we work in the loops, in the front loops until here. Now we finish our work in the back side, and we turn the work, and we have to make single crochet in the front side in these loops here in the front. Okay, here we have loops here. So we just start here in the first loop here. Have a loop here. Just continue. Continue to crochet from here to here. Now we have finished war round, and here is war new start here. Okay, it's the front, the back. In the top we have two sides now, front side, back side. Okay, back side, front side we have now. In the next time, just follow war pattern.